Imagine a place where sunlight meets crystal clear water, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow beneath the surface. Welcome to the Yucatán Peninsula in Mexico, a land rich in history and natural beauty, home to thousands of cenotes, which are natural sinkholes filled with fresh water. These cenotes are like windows to an underground world, offering a glimpse into a hidden realm that has fascinated explorers and scientists alike. Formed over centuries, these cenotes were once sacred to the ancient Mayans, who believed they were portals to the underworld and used them for rituals and offerings. Today, these underwater caves offer a unique adventure for modern explorers. Cenote diving is an experience like no other, allowing divers to navigate through intricate cave systems and discover the natural beauty hidden below. Imagine swimming through vast caverns, surrounded by stunning stalactites and stalagmites that have formed over millennia. The silence and serenity of these underwater landscapes are truly awe-inspiring. As you explore, you'll see fish darting through the water and beams of sunlight piercing through the surface, creating an ethereal glow that illuminates the underwater world in a magical way. The cenotes of the Yucatán Peninsula are not just natural wonders, they are a testament to the beauty and mystery of our planet. Cenotes offer a diving experience unlike any other. These natural sinkholes, formed by the collapse of limestone bedrock, create a unique underwater environment that is both mysterious and breathtaking. It's like entering a hidden realm. The moment you submerge, you are transported to a world that feels untouched by time, a place where nature's artistry is on full display. As you descend into the cool, clear water, you'll be surrounded by incredible rock formations. These formations, created over thousands of years, tell a story of geological wonder and natural beauty. Imagine swimming through tunnels carved by ancient waters, discovering hidden grottos. Each twist and turn reveals a new marvel, a secret waiting to be uncovered. The water is so clear you can see far into the distance. This clarity allows divers to fully appreciate the intricate details of the cenote's interior. From the smallest stalactite to the grandest cavern, sunbeams pierce through cracks in the ceiling, creating a magical play of light and shadow. These beams of light dance across the water, illuminating the underwater landscape in a way that feels almost surreal. It's no wonder that cenote diving is often described as an otherworldly experience. The combination of natural beauty, geological history, and the serene underwater environment creates a diving adventure that is truly unparalleled. Ready to explore the cenotes? These natural sinkholes are a diver's paradise, offering crystal clear waters and unique underwater landscapes. Here are some tips to make your dive safe and enjoyable. Preparation is key, so let's start with the basics. First, choose the right gear. Your equipment is your lifeline underwater, so make sure you have everything you need. A wetsuit is recommended, as the water can be cool. The right wetsuit will keep you warm and comfortable throughout your dive. Make sure your mask fits well and your fins are comfortable. A well-fitting mask will prevent leaks, and comfortable fins will make your dive more enjoyable. Before you dive, check your equipment and make sure everything is in good working order. This includes your regulator, buoyancy control device, and air supply. It's also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the dive site and the planned route. Knowing the layout of the cenote can help you navigate more easily and avoid potential hazards. Communication is crucial underwater. Make sure you and your dive buddy are familiar with hand signals and other forms of underwater communication. Keep an eye on your dive computer and air supply. Monitoring your depth, time, and air levels will help you manage your dive safely. Finally, remember to ascend slowly and perform a safety stop. This helps prevent decompression sickness and ensures a safe return to the surface. With these tips in mind, you're ready to enjoy the wonders of cenote diving. Dive safe and have fun. Safety is paramount when diving in cenotes. Remember, these are delicate environments. Always dive with a buddy and stay close together. Never touch the formations, as this can damage them. Control your buoyancy to avoid kicking up sediment and follow your guide's instructions carefully. Most importantly, never dive beyond your training and experience level. While it's possible to dive some cenotes independently, hiring a personal dive guide enhances the experience significantly. Local guides know these waters intimately. They can take you to the best spots, help you navigate through complex passages, and point out hidden wonders you might miss on your own, and they speak Spanish. A guide can also share fascinating information about the geology, history, and ecology of these unique environments. If you're seeking an unforgettable cenote diving adventure, look no further than the Dive Guide. Our team of experienced and passionate guides are dedicated to providing safe, personalized, and awe-inspiring dives. We offer a range of dive trips suitable for all levels, from beginners to experienced cave divers. Our commitment to safety, small group sizes, and environmental responsibility ensures a rewarding and sustainable experience for all. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the mystical underwater world of the Yucatán Cenotes. Book your dive adventure with the Dive Guide today and create memories that will last a lifetime. Visit us at thediveguide.net to learn more and reserve your spot. The Yucatán Cenotes await your discovery.